Good morning and welcome back to Early Riser Workshop. You know, if you saw an earlier video where I attempted to attach a bat to the wheel without pins by using a little bit of clay, it just didn't work for me. So I made the decision to go ahead and commit to drilling, tapping, and installing a 1/4-20 by 3/8 inch long stainless steel socket cap screw. There'll be a link in the description on where I found them. But once I've made that decision, I knew I had to make a template, and once I had the template, I could make as many bats as I wanted. And once I've completed that, and that's in this video, I can easily install the bat to the wheel, making the removal of a finished pot secure and safe for the pot without any distortion. So, without any further delay, let's get started. I'm going to use an actual bat that has a line drawn through the center hole pin, and measuring 1.25 inches from the edge, I'll bring it to the drill press to put a 13/64 pilot hole into it. Okay, here I set up the drill press. I fixed the table so that the center of the bit is 1.25 inches from the fence, and that's tightened down securely. I also did the sliding stop to position my base plate to center line of the bat. So what I need to make sure though is that that center line is set up perpendicular to the fence. So I'll put my framing square up against the fence and rotate the bat until it is completely lined up. Go ahead and clamp it down and drill off. Now we're going to turn this around. Okay, now that it's centered, we're going to go ahead and clamp this down. And we'll drill our second hole. Okay, I've clamped the bat with the holes on top of the wheel, and I was very careful to measure all the way around to make sure the clearance is equal. And I've chucked my 13/64 bit equal to the same hole as I used in the drill press, and I'm ready to rock and roll. I will note that I made sure that the ribs underneath, that these holes are in between the ribs, and there's no interference on the back side of the hole. Now we have two holes. Okay, now I'm going to start with the 1/4-20 tap. Aluminum is soft, so I'm going to take my time. Now for the 1/4-20 3/8 inch socket head screw. And then we'll do the other side the same way. Okay, I've done the other side, and I'm going to put a nut underneath. Okay, that's it. The holes are there. Next we'll do the bat to sit up on top of that hole. Okay, I have the same setup as before, only now it's a 3/8 diameter brad point pit. There's our template. Okay, let's see how well it fits on the wheel. That's a nice snug fit. Let's turn it on. Well, I think that's going to work just fine. Thanks so much for watching Early Riser Workshop. This is Earl. Until next time, take care.